Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to our subscribers as we forward to you the November edition of Business Plus. I hope that you're able to badge this edition and send it out to your clients and prospects as soon as possible. And then please follow up your clients. Go through and read the articles and determine who might be interested in a particular article. And my suggestion is you ring them in 4 or 5 days' time and see what they thought of the article. What are they doing in those areas? And have a conversation with them. And in my experience, this leads to some additional work because the client will be very appreciative of your interest in what they're doing beyond a taxation matter. The Export Market Development Grant is the big news this month, primarily because by the 30th of November, there are, for many businesses, 2 applications or registrations that have to be processed. One is the actual expenditure that took place on Export Market Development Grant areas in 2020-21. That has to be lodged by the 30th of November. And the second one is the new application, which relates to the new Export Market Development Grant, which commenced from 1 July 2021. So what you're doing is submitting an application for 2021-22, but it can also include the following year if you're a Tier 1 Export Market Development Grant applicant. But if you're a Tier 2 or 3, it can cover the next 2 years. So you need to have a look at that with your clients so that they can get these applications lodged. A source within Austrade tells me that they expect to receive a significant number of applications for this new grant. We are running a special webinar on Monday, the 15th of November, and we will be sending you an email with those details so you can register. We will be recording the webinar and forwarding a link to that recording to you if you get some last-minute inquiries from clients relative to this application. We've also listed the eligible expenses, which have changed a little bit from what they were previously. So you might need to talk to clients about that. This month, I've tried to start a conversation with your clients, in effect, on current business performance. So we're asking them some questions. How is your business going? Now, I've based this based on the material which we include in the SME needs analysis. That's form BAS 017 that you have in your systems. It's part of the Business Advisory Services training package. I think that's probably the most important document we have in the whole of the ESS BIZTOOLS system. And I've tried to frame some questions built around that material, well, the first part of that material. We're going to continue this series to see if that will prompt some of your clients to contact you to have a conversation. So we're talking about basically business performance, key performance indicators in the first part. Then we've gone into benchmarking, and I've given some details of the benchmarking information that benchmarking.com.au include in their reports for a jewelry retailer, so that might get some interest from some of your clients to talk to you. We've made a comment about debtors management, and particularly to the very long debtors days outstanding period that Australia's got the dubious honour of holding the world title for. And alerting your clients that you can assist them by utilizing the ESS BIZTOOLS material to review their debtors processes to see whether some changes can be made, which will have the effect of reducing debtors days outstanding, therefore improving their cash flow, giving them more money in the bank or reducing their bank overdraft, well, whichever is the situation. And then indicating to your clients that you could undertake a full review of the system that they've got, revamp it, utilizing the SME debtors templates, which are in the system. We have a comment on customer relationships. Some of our subscribers are assisting clients with customer review type processes. I've done a fair bit of that in my consultancy and previously accountancy business over the years. We've also asked some business calculation type questions about what would happen if sales could be increased or margins could be changed or whatever. And we've talked about charge out rates for tradies, trying to get your tradie clients interested in talking to you about calculating charge out rates. One of our subscribers has told a marketing review that we had undertaken recently that they have 110 tradie clients going through the system each year, and that they then have built into that the concept of preparing monthly financial accounts and having a monthly business review meeting, and have earned significant more fees. Perhaps that's food for thought for you, because I dare say most of you have got some tradie clients. And we've also made the comment that this approach to tradies can also apply to professional services firms. The only thing that we haven't included in there is the markup on external purchases made for clients. And also wholesalers and retailers, if you've got those clients interested in having a discussion with you, we've got the system there, which is really looking at their various product mixes and the markups that apply to them. The overall aim in all of this is that the businesses, if they set their charge out rates and their productivity figures and monitor all that, they should be able to achieve their targeted profit. If you have any suggestions on future material that we might include in Business Plus, please contact me. If you have any other comments or criticisms, also please contact us. But thank you very much for your support of ESS BIZTOOLS and ESS BizGrants. Hopefully business is all starting to come back to normal around Australia, and hopefully by the time you receive the December issue, we'll be a lot closer to that achieving, so that both you can get back to working in your offices, those of you who have been in these lockdown situations, and your clients can all get back to work, and some sort of normalcy might be able to return in Australia. But please remember, a lot of your clients, I think, and Andrew Geddes agrees with me, are going to be looking for a broader range of services. Many of them have got this concept of scaling up in their minds. You are the obvious person for them to be talking to. And we are working hard to develop some new material, which we're releasing in February, to assist you to be able to accompany your client on that journey of growing their businesses in a responsible manner. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.